In a world where our planet's health is more important than ever, one company is leading the way towards a brighter, greener future. Introducing Norventico, your partner in sustainable energy solutions. At Norventico, we believe in harnessing the power of nature to create a cleaner, more sustainable tomorrow. Our team of experts is committed to providing innovative energy solutions tailored to your needs, whether it's solar, wind, or hydroelectric power. With Norventico, you can power your home or business with confidence, knowing that you're making a positive impact on the environment. Join the movement towards a sustainable future. Choose Norventico and power the world, one green watt at a time.